how to make no one can see your post on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your post on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and click view your profile, and then just select any post you want here and click these 3 points, and now click change audience and click only me, and now no one can see your post on Facebook Lite. And that's how to make no one can see your post. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.